Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to find people on Instagram using phone number, and all you have to do is to launch the Instagram application. And from here, you're going to tap on your profile, and then you're going to tap on the three lines. You're going to tap on account center. You're going to tap on your information and permission. You're going to tap on upload contacts, and from there, we want to upload contacts on this Instagram account. As you can see, I have already toggled this on. In the case that it was off, as you can see, it will say it is disconnecting the contacts that we have on our phone number. So you're going to make sure that you've toggled this on. And once you've toggled it on, you're going to go back and they are going to appear here as a friend suggestion most of the times. If not that, you're going to be given a notification and it will pop up here informing you that someone you know or someone on your contacts. As you can see, most of the times they do appear here as someone you know, and that someone you know might be on your contact or might not be from your contact. But most of the time, it does appear here to informing you that this person from your contact, or it will tell you the name of the person, and it will say that who you might know is on Instagram. Like, for example, this person, I don't know him since he is in my contact. And once you know them, you're just going to follow them. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.